Hey there, what's happening? I'd like to take you on a bit of a journey of curiosity and knowledge. All right? Here we go. The Sagrada Familia Church in Barcelona is taking longer to build than the Great Pyramids of Egypt. The church's construction began in 1882 and still isn't finished yet. It's estimated that 1/3 of all cows in the world, around 300 million, live in India. One possible explanation for this is that in Hinduism, cows are considered sacred and cannot be harmed. They symbolize strength, abundance, and wealth. The entire country of Australia has a smaller population, 25 million people, than the whole of the Tokyo metro area, 38 million people. That's a lot of people in a small space. The highest drivable road in the world is Kardung La in Tibet, with an incredible elevation of 5,360 meters or 17,600 feet. Talk about taking the high road. There is more water in cucumber than watermelon, but not by much. Watermelon is about 92% water, while cucumber is 95%, which surprisingly is about the same as lettuce and celery. With over 800 languages spoken by a significant portion of the population, New York City is the most linguistically diverse city in the world.
Rivers are some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Studies have shown that rivers and lakes sustain more fish species than the oceans, even though rivers contain 600 times less water. More thunderstorms occur during the summer months than at any other time of year. That's because the warm weather creates the perfect conditions for rising hot air and moisture to form thunderstorms. Nicolaus Copernicus, the famous astronomer, was Polish. He was born in Turin, and he established the concept of a heliocentric solar system, which proposed that the sun is at the center of the universe rather than the Earth. Berries, by definition, have their seeds on the inside of the fruit. Bananas have seeds in the fruit itself, but are so tiny we never really notice them. Therefore, bananas are technically berries, and strawberries are not. Talk about too hot to handle. Deep sea vents, or hydrothermals, occur when two tectonic plates spread, causing water in those places to reach up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense water pressure, however, prevents the water from boiling. Speaking of water, the vast majority of life on Earth, around 90%, is aquatic. These are water-bearing species living within our oceans and lakes.
If you require saffron for a cooking recipe and you're on a tight budget, better think again. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, ranging from $500 to $5,000 per pound. Chickens, believe it or not, vastly outnumber humans on Earth. Really, with poultry being such a common food staple in so many countries, there are an estimated 25 billion chickens alive and clucking worldwide. If you paid attention in astronomy class, you may already know this. Astronomers say that the moon was once a piece of the Earth. Theory has it that the Earth was struck by a giant object during its formation, breaking off a large chunk of Earth, creating our moon. John Wayne, arguably Hollywood's most famous cowboy, didn't like riding horseback. He learned to ride young and did so frequently that by the time he started making movies, he was already fed up with it. True story. During the colonial era, around the 17th and 18th centuries, lobsters were so plentiful and abundant that they were often considered poor man's food. They were even served to prisoners. Quite a change from today's standards. The planet Jupiter may be a failed star. It is composed of hydrogen and helium, the same elements as the Sun. However, Jupiter isn't large enough to start nuclear fusion and generate its own energy. If it was around 80 times bigger than it is now, it would likely become a star with low mass. So what did you think? Comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, mate.